Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be making the best heart-shaped Valentine's Day butter spritz cookies using my mom's old-fashioned butter cookie recipe. These pink heart-shaped cookies with sprinkles are so fun and so easy to make, plus they're incredibly delicious. These cookies simply melt into your mouth. They have the most amazing texture and I think they're perfect for celebrating Valentine's Day. Let me show you how to make these delicious cookies. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and I've lined 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. We're going to set these aside for now and get started on the cookie dough. We'll need half a cup of softened unsalted butter. Drop the butter into a large mixing bowl and add half a cup of white granulated sugar. Use a mixer and cream together the butter and sugar for a few minutes. To our creamed butter and sugar, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and our secret ingredient, half a cup of mayonnaise. I know this sounds weird, but mayo is really just eggs with a little bit of vinegar and oil, and it just keeps the cookies so soft. It gives them an unbelievably soft texture. And I wanted to show you the exact brand of mayo that I'm using today. It's this Primal Kitchen avocado oil mayo. And I'm going to add about 4 drops of this neon pink food coloring. Let's mix this all together. Next, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this together. I've tipped my pastry bag with a simple star tip, and this is a French star tip number 4. You can use any tip that's kind of similar to this one as well. Let's transfer our cookie dough into the bag. I like to prop my bag up in a measuring cup. It just makes it easier to transfer the cookie dough into the bag. And now for the fun part, let's pipe some cookies. And I already piped some here on my baking sheet so you can see what they look like. We're gonna go about 1 inch on one side and then pipe the dough across the top like that. And these cookies don't really spread in the oven, so you can pipe them fairly close together. And I like to top the cookies off with some Valentine's Day sprinkles, just to make them look extra festive. My cookies are ready to go into the oven. They're going to bake at 325 for about 12 to 13 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, I'm going to let them sit on the baking sheets for a few more minutes before gently lifting them off the pan and onto a wire rack to cool. Then we'll come back to enjoy some delicious cookies. After a few minutes of cooling on the pan, use a spatula, gently lift the cookies off onto a wire rack to cool. And these came out so pretty. As you can see, the cookies are not spreading. They hold their shape very well. And I love having the sprinkles on top. And that's it for my Valentine's Day butter cookie recipe. I love how these turned out. The little pink hearts with the sprinkles on top. These are going to be perfect for celebrating Valentine's Day. Head on down into the video description box for all the recipe details. I'll have everything up on my website, including this recipe with metric measurements. And now let's enjoy these delicious cookies. This recipe has been in my family for almost 4 decades. These cookies are just unbeatable. They're so soft and so delicious. Let's grab a little bite. These little butter cookies are so incredible, and I love the texture. They're slightly crispy on the outside, super soft on the inside, and they just melt into your mouth. The number one question I get about this recipe is about the mayo. Like, do you taste it in the cookies? And the answer is no. You do not taste the mayo in the cookies. They just taste like the best butter cookies ever, but the mayo really helps give the cookies this really soft and delicate texture. So I can't wait for you to try these. These are so good. And all I need is a glass of milk to help me finish off this plate of delicious cookies. Milk and cookies, you can't beat that combination. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you enjoy these incredible Valentine's Day cookies for the holiday, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.